Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm testing out the cameras on the front and the rear of my V40 ThinQ. I want to see how good these 5 cameras really are. I shot some photos today and yesterday. I also did some video today at the park in 4K and 60 and 30, 1080p, 60 and 30. Did front-facing cameras. I did some wide-angle video also. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think about it. Are the cameras good on the V40? I think so far. Still more tests to come. Hey, I know LG's updating the cameras also, so let them updates keep on coming. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell for more videos coming up on the LG V40 ThinQ. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Okay everyone, so this is the LG V40 ThinQ. Yes, I'm shooting this in 4K at 60 frames per second. Slow pan of the sky. Look how pretty it is outside. No, it's not pretty. Yes, I'm at my little famous park, walking around. Y'all want to see focus? Y'all let me know, how does this look? How do I sound? Again, I'm just holding the phone, walking in the park. Let's try to zoom in some. How does that look? I'm at like 3 times zoom. I can go all the way to 10. That doesn't look too bad. Let me go back out. Now on the V40 ThinQ, I only have 6 minutes at 4K at 60 frames. And I cannot go from standard lens to wide lens or any other lens on here. I would have to stop the video. But this is just a test. What y'all think about it? Y'all let me know how everything looks. Look at the ground. Man, it actually looks pretty good. Looks like they cut some of my tree down, but it's okay. But y'all let me know how everything looks. I'm gonna come back with 4K at 30 frames and be back. Okay everyone, so this is 4K at 30 frames per second on the V40 ThinQ. How does it look? How do I sound? Yes, I'm just walking in my famous park. Do we have any type of focusing problems? Yes, it's a cloudy day in Texas. It's kind of cold or cool. One thing I did notice on the 30 frames, you do have steady record, so optimization should be on. Now, one thing else, I can switch to the telephotic lens, and it goes into closer 2 times, and I can go back. I can't go to wide angle still, but I can zoom in even further, up to 10 times. What y'all think about it? Again, I'm just walking in the park. There comes the car, but that's okay too. So y'all let me know how I look and sound. I'm coming back with 1080p at 60 frames per second. Until then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is 1080p at 60 frames per second. Stabilization is still on. I can't switch between the lenses at all on 60 frames. I don't know why, but I know I used to be able to switch it on to the wide angle, but can't do that. Y'all let me know how everything looks. How do I sound? How's that wind blowing? Let's go back into the zoom. Man, I'm really in there. A little shaky. Let's go back. The wind's getting a little bit stronger now. But how do I sound? Look at the ground. It's been raining in Texas a lot lately, like a lot. Rivers are flooding. But y'all let me know How do I look? How does this video look? Yes, that's the minivan. Let's see, I'm going to focus. Does that look good? I think it actually looks pretty good. But it's up to y'all. Y'all let me know. It has 5 cameras on it, so hopefully does a good job. But y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. I'm gonna come back with 1080p at 30 frames per second. Okay everyone, so this is 1080p at 30 frames per second. Steady record is on, so stabilization should be pretty good. Again, I'm just holding the phone, walking in my famous park. Again, I can do the second lens pretty easy. There you go. Now I can go back to the standard lens. Nope, I can't go to wide angle. Let's zoom all the way in there. But somebody's working out there. Let's go back out. So I'm all the way back out. What y'all think about it? Y'all let me know. Are these cameras impressive? What I can see on the phone, it looks really good. Again, I'm gonna do some comparisons coming up with the famous fire hydrant. Bam. What y'all think about it? Y'all let me know in the comments. Again, it's just been a little quick video test. I'm coming back with the front facing cameras and maybe do some wide angles too. So y'all let me know what y'all think, and to the rest of the video, peace. Okay everyone, so this is 4K at 30 frames per second with the wide angle lens. I wish I could switch back to the standard lens, but I can't. But you can see that I get a whole lot more into the video with the wide angle lens. So if you like wide angle lenses, hey, this phone might be for you. Let's see, I'm gonna walk with it. I mean, I get so much more into the video. Look at the ground. How does this lens look? 16 megapixels. It's not the brightest day in Texas either. Not the brightest day. But y'all let me know. Yes, I still have 10-minute limit. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Again, how does that sound? How does this look? No focusing problems. Everything looks pretty good. But again, y'all let me know in the comments. I'm gonna come back with the front-facing camera test in just a minute. Peace. Okay everyone, so this is the front-facing camera. It's a standard lens. It's not wide angle. I'm shooting this at 1080p at 30 frames per second. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. How does that sound? How does everything look in the background? Look at the background. It actually looks pretty good. Has LG actually improved their front-facing cameras? Maybe they have. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. I might even come back with a wide angle just to see how wide it is on the front cameras. But this actually looks pretty good to me. Yes, it's kind of cold. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. I'm gonna come back really quick with the wide angle lens just to see how that looks. Okay everyone, so this is the front facing camera. Like you couldn't tell that, but this is in the wide angle lens. So the 5 megapixel lens I'm using right now. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. How do I look? How do I sound? I just like the wide angle. I mean, you don't really notice it until you use a phone that actually has it again, how much it looks and how much you can get into a picture. This would be great for soccer games and football games. So actually this is pretty cool. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Again, like I sound, how do I look? How does the background look in the back? And just notice how much more I'm getting into the picture. But also let me know what y'all think in the comments below on this overall video. What y'all think about the cameras on the LG V40. Are they worth the 920 bucks I paid for it? Is the 5 cameras doing anything impressive to y'all? Y'all let me know in the comments. And until next video, peace. Y'all have a great day now.